going to show you a quick and easy way to open your pomegranate. So you're just going to slightly tilt your pomegranate and see how I have my knife angled here. You can remove the sticker. And you just want to cut halfway down. Then you're going to take your knife, point it straight up, and lift. Quick and easy way to open your pomegranates. So I'm going to do it again. Have your pomegranate on its side. And right around here, you're going to slice. And it doesn't matter if you're cutting into your pomegranates. Point your knife up and lift down. Quick way to open your pomegranates. And we didn't smash too many, so. Also here, same thing. Now, once you do that part, here's another way to easily access your pomegranates. So you want to cut along this white vein here. Make a slice down. Here's another white vein here. Cut down. Another white vein. Cut down. And just go around, and wherever you see that white line, just slice down. Okay? Once you do that, you can break open your pomegranate. And you have to not be afraid to apply some force. But easy way to open your pomegranates. I like to just eat it from the fruit. I know a lot of people sometimes pour it in the bowl, but that's the easy way to open your pomegranates. I'm going to do the same thing here. And what I'm talking about is this white line here. There's another one here. So I'm going to slice down. There's another one here. Slice down. Slice down. Slice down. Slice down. And here's another one. Slice down. And then just apply some force and open. Break it open. And that's it.